This morning there is snow on Sleeping Beauty Castle at Disneyland. The walls have come down around Louie's Critter Cub, which is officially opening on November 13th. And for the first time since the attraction went down for refurbishment, we can finally see what the queue looks like for Tiana's Bayou Adventure. So follow me and I will take you along and show you what everything looks like.